Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the huge athletic retailer Lululemon. They have stores in malls across the United States. They are hiring a contact center representative, GEC Educator. This is remote for my United States folks only, but they do say there's 13 states that they hire in, so that is Arizona, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Louisiana, Michigan, Minnesota, Nevada, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, and Texas. But they are providing all the computer equipment that you need, and they are offering both part-time and full-time positions for this customer service role. So the GEC is what they call their customer service. It's the Guest Education Center, and it's the contact center for Lululemon on their frontline connection with the guest. You'll be working multiple channels, including phone, live chat, email, and text. And this is a seasonal role. They're looking to have people start in June of 2023 and work through January of 2024. Now, they do have a schedule rotation of different hours that they work, weekdays, weekends, posted up top here, but they are paying anywhere from $16.65 an hour to $23.43 an hour base pay, of course, depending on location and experience. And then their target bonus is an additional $2.50 an hour, bringing the total range of pay anywhere between $19.15 an hour all the way up to $25.93 an hour. They offer a full hardware setup and a fixed Wi-Fi reimbursement. But as a GEC educator, you're going to deliver world-class guest experience through all of their GEC channels. You'll resolve guest concerns and inquiries through connection and empathy. You'll be responsible for quality guest interactions, adherence to schedule, and efficiency targets, and you'll have to maintain a high level of knowledge of Lululemon policies, procedures, and product offerings. You will have to multitask and efficiently navigate through several different computer programs by placing orders, setting up returns, communicating programs, and troubleshooting to support their e-commerce online business. Now, they are not requiring any kind of degree for this position. They want someone who has 1 year of customer service experience. If you have some kind of call center or contact center experience, that is an asset but not required. They want somebody who can commit to completing 2.5 weeks of full-time training and be adaptable to learning new applications and computer systems. Someone who has great written and verbal communication skills, great customer service skills, and the ability to prioritize and manage your time wisely. Now, it says a full-time is 24 to 40 hours per week. Part-time is up to 23 hours a week. They list their different shift times. They have different shift ranges from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And on weekdays and then on weekends, it's 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. They are going to require you to have a private, distraction-free workspace. And again, you have to have your own internet, but you need desk space for the equipment they're going to provide you, which is a 24-inch monitor, a mouse, keyboard, and a mini desktop computer. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope you have a fabulous weekend ahead. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.